How to download free Bible in laptop. 100% free and legit. Using the app, the BIBLESHOW5. First, go to Chrome. Then second, type BIBLESHOW5. If you see this logo, then click. And look the download button, then download. And wait the download complete. If done, go to your screen application. Then click the right click and select run and wait until the downloading data is complete. And you're almost there. Back to the screen application and there's completed. All language in one app for free. And now you can enjoy exploring the app. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video and happy to share. And don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. And thank you.